Good morning, students. Today I'm discussing the chapter number 7 in class 11, test measurement and evaluations. Under the test measurement and evaluation, we discuss the what is the meaning of test, measurement and evaluation, and importance of test and measurement and evaluation. And last is the somato body type. There are three types of body type: endomorphy, mesomorphy, and ectomorphy. We discussed. Now let's start the first topic, the test. What is the meaning of test? Simply, test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, and capacities of or aptitudes of an individual or a group. Test is the form of the questioning or measuring the use of assess the retention of knowledge, capacity, or the ability some endeavor. And test refer to any specific instrument, procedure, or technique used by an administrator to elicit a response from the test taker. Okay, a test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacities, and aptitudes of an individual or a group. It's called test. Now we discuss the measurement. Measurement refers to the process of administrating a test to obtain the quantitative data. Measurement aids the evaluation process in which the various tools and techniques are used in collection of the data. Now we discuss the evaluation. It is the process of education that involves the collection of data from the product which can be used for the comparison with the preconceived criteria to make the judgment. Okay, next we discuss the importance of test and measurement and evaluation in the field of games and sports and physical education. First important is the measurement of progress. Through the test and measurement, you measurement the progress. Okay. Periodical measurement process helps in finding the progress level. The gain or loss in learning process go side by side by timely judge can be rectified easily. Okay. Number 2 is the ranking of group. With the help of measurement, the ranking of the student can be done. The classification of the group can be lead to better group performance as same status students can be put in one group. Suppose according to the classification of the group is according to height wise, weight wise, age wise. Okay. Next is the motivation. The process of measurement acts as a strong motivating source for a student as he can know his development. Even fall in performance measure can also direct the student to restructure his training. And fourth is the predictions of playing ability. With the help of certain tests, the playing ability of a student can be predicted, which can help in selection of game. The anthropometric, what is the meaning of anthropic mean and metric mean measurement? Throughout the measurement can predict the body characteristics of a persons which play a vital role in a particular game. And last one is the psychological measurement. The psychological test helps in finding the situation of an individual. It can tell the level of confidence towards the learning. Any stress, anxiety, confusion, or depression can disturb while learning process. This can be measured by certain psychological test. Okay, next discuss somato body type. You know that there are three types of body type: endomorphy, mesomorphy, and ectomorphy. Basically, in one famous psychologist, okay, the famous psychologist William H. Sheldon first introduced this body type. Okay, the word somatotype was used by renowned psychologist William A. Sheldon to describe a body type on the basis of human physics in 1940. He, along with the S.S. Stevens and W.B. Tracker, authored a book named The Varieties of Human Physics. In this book, they introduced the somatotype, which has three components as endomorphy, mesomorphy, or ectomorphy, or endomorph, mesomorph, or ectomorph. Okay, there are three types of body type. Basically, endomorphy body type is solid and soft. The body of endomorphy has tendency to store fat. This leads to a wider and higher waist. The build of endomorphy is shorter with thick limbs. Okay, due to accumulation of more adipose tissues, the limbs look shorter. The muscles of upper leg are very strong. Basically, the following are the traits of endomorphic body. First one is the large build and round physique, soft and round body, gains muscles and fat easily, and generally shorter, slow metabolic rate. Those are endomorphic, those are more fat. Basically, in these types of sports person, their metabolic system is very slow, and hardly loss fat, white waist. Okay. Second is the mesomorphy or mesomorph. A person having mesomorph physique has a large bones and muscles. They possess the athletic physique. Basically, they are athletic physique and their chest is higher than the abdomen. Is the mesomorph is the best body type of for bodybuilding. They easily gain and lose body weight. The mesomorphic physique respond the best to weight training. And the following are the traits of mesomorphic body: athletic body type, hard and tough body, well defined muscles, rectangular shaped body, strong build, gain muscles easily, gain fat more easily than ectomorphs, mature appearance, upright posture, long torso. What is the meaning of torso? Torso means except your upper limbs, lower limbs, abdomen, only chest portion. This is a torso. Basically, in athletics, you use the torso. When you finish the 100 meter, you use the torso touch or torso finish. And narrow waist and large head is the mesomorphy. And last is the ectomorphy. And ectomorphy is a typical skinny person. They have a light build with small joints and lean muscles. Generally, they have long, thin limbs with stringy muscles, small and delicate frame and bone structure. Basically, the following are the traits of ectomorph: small and delicate frame and bone structure, flat chest, small shoulder, thin and longer, lean muscle mass, find difficulty in gain weight, fast metabolic rate, low body fat, young appearance, narrow hips and narrow face with high forehead. Basically, there are three types of body posture: endomorphy, mesomorphy, ectomorphy. Basically, endomorphy players is the sumo player is the endomorphy suitable example, or throwing events players short put, discus thrower also suitable in the endomorphy. Suppose the mesomorphy is a more muscular body type. Basically, in bodybuilder, football player, 100-meter racer is the example of the mesomorphy. And ectomorphy is the suppose the volleyball player, basketball player is the example of the ectomorphy. Okay,